Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to online class of biology of class 6th. How are you all? Hope you all are fine there, students. Today in this video, I am going to start your lesson number first, book exercise and question answers. Student, in your UT test, first only one chapter is coming, and all the book exercises you have to write with the help of pencil in your book only. No need to write in copy. Only question answers you have to write in your copy with the help of black and blue pen. Now take out your book and open page number 5. Page number 5, to see assess yourself question. Your first question is, what comprises the root system? Answer is, the radicle comprises the root system of a plant. Second question, what comprises the shoot system of a plant? So the answer is, the plumule comprises the shoot system of a plant. Third question, what is the function of root in plants? The root firmly holds plants into the soil. They absorb water and minerals from the soil for the plant. Now question 4, what is the function of stem in the plants? So the answer 4 is, the stem bears the vegetative parts such as leaves, fruits, buds and flowers of the plant. Now come on next page, next exercise, page number 12. All of you open page number 12. Assess yourself. You all have to write these answers with the help of pencil in the book only. No need to write in your copy. Okay. Your first question of assess yourself is, name them. A part joining the leaf of the stem is petiole. So please write this in the flub, petiole. Second question, a type of leaf venation in which veins are run parallelly to each other. Answer is parallel venation. C, a process by which the green leaves make food for the plants are photosynthesis. D, a thread-like coiled modification of leaves, leaf tendril. E, the modified leaves of an onion bulb, scale leaves. F, a plant that shows vegetative propagation through their leaves, bryophyllum. Second, fill in the blanks. First question, the air enter a leaf through stomata. B, in which plant, in wild pea, the dash leaf is modified into a tendril, entire leaf. C, in glory lily, the dash are modified into tendrils, leaf tips. D, in cactus plants, leaves are modified into spines. E, bladderwort is an example of dash plants, insectivores plant. Okay students, now come on, open main exercise, external exercise on page number 13. Page number 13, select the correct option. Students, answer I have written here, question I am reading. You can listen the question and you can take the answer from this video. You can take a screenshot to write these answers. Your first question is, the flat thin part of the leaf is leaf blade. Second, a type of leaf in which single leaf attached by a petiole to the stem is known as simple leaf. Next, the green leaf make food for the plants by the process called photosynthesis. Fourth, in cactus plant, the parts modified into spines are leaves. Next, fifth question. Insectivores plants grow in soil deficient, especially in nitrogen. Sixth, vegetative propagation is shown by the leaves of bryophyllum plant. Okay students, now come on next page, page number 14. Here fill in the blanks. The part of a plant that grows under the ground is called root. Second, an example of insectivores plant is bladderwort. Third, the banana leaves have parallel venation. Fourth, in compound leaves, the leaf blade is distinctly divided into leaflets. Fifth, the edges of leaf blade is called leaf margin. Okay, now come on, right and wrong, true, false. Students, this is true and false. You have to correct the statement also which is false. So student, first question is, the leaf of sweet pea plants are modified into spines. You have to cut the spines there and you have to write it tendrils, and this is false. Okay. Second, the arrangement of vein on the leaf blade is called venation of leaf. True. There is no correction. Third, the leaf tendrils and leaf spines are the example of simple leaves. So please cut the simple leaf and write leaf modification, and it is false statement. Okay. Fourth, insectivorous plants grow in nutrient-rich soil. So cut rich and write deficient, and it is the false statement. Now fifth, an irregular network of veins is found in banana leaves. So cut irregular, write parallel. If students, you will cut banana and you will write people at the place of banana, that is also okay. Okay, अगर आप बनाना की जगह पीपल भी लिखते हैं कट करके, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो ओके. सो इट इज़ अ फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट, यू हैव टू राइट इट फॉल्स. Okay, now come on. Next, fourth question, match the following. You can see maize leaf parallel venation, mango leaf reticulate venation, onion bulb scale leaves, leaf kitchen of the plant, gases exchange in the plant, stomata. Students, please don't write, don't match it with the lines. You have to write the numbers or answer in the front of the question. Okay. Now fifth question, state the function of the following. Leaf tendrils. The tendrils provide suitable support in climbing of the weak stems. Leaf spine, they provide protection to the plants and also reduce water loss. Okay, now come on next on page number 14, it is also there. Give one word of the following. Your first is the point of attachment of the leaf of the stem is leaf base. Second, a bud present in the axil of leaf, axillary bud. Next, a process by which plants make their own food, photosynthesis. A process of leaf that keep cool the plant. Fourth, here, transpiration. Fifth, the tiny pores through which air enters the leaf's stomata. Sixth, a space between the two nodes, internode. Seventh, the white thin flat part of the leaf, lamina. It is also we called leaf blade. Okay, leaf blade, you can also write it. Eighth question, the plants that feed on the insects, insectivorous plants. Now come on, short question answers. You have to write these question answer in copy. Okay, these question answers you have to write in your copy. First question is, give one example of leaf modification. Answer is cactus plant. So in cactus plant, leaves are modified into spines and reduce the loss of water. Okay. Second, name a plant that has reticulate venation in leaves. Leaves of papaya and leaves of mango is also right. Okay. Now third, which type of leaf venation is found in the leaf of banana plant? So it is parallel venation. Now next page. Here, give two important function of leaf. So two important function of leaf are leaf prepare food for the plants by the photosynthesis, and leaves release excess water absorbed by the root of the plants by transpiration. Now fifth question, what is meant by the term photosynthesis? So the green leaves prepare food for the plants in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll by a process called photosynthesis. Now sixth question, give example of two plants in which leaves are modified into leaf tendrils. Pea plant and grapevine. Now next, seventh question, what are leaf spines? Give example. Leaves of certain plants get modified into leaf spines to provide protection and to reduce water loss. For example, in cactus plant, leaves are modified into spines. Eighth question, give two example of insectivorous plants, pitcher plant and Venus flytrap. Ninth, which part of the cactus plant get modified into spines? Answer is leaves. So students, these are the short question answers of in book exercise of lesson number 1. It is sufficient for today. I will give you another answer in detail and differentiate, think critically in my next video. Thank you. Have a nice day. You all have to do this work in your copy and book if you have not done it. And students, you can take a screenshot to write all these answers. After doing it, you have to learn the book exercise of this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.